I'm going to be making oat meal. For those of us who want to lose some weight, especially the breastfeeding moms, and they're looking for substitute to high carbohydrates, I'm recommending the oat meal, and I'm going to be making a video on how you can make your oatmeal swallow. The first thing you have to get is to get your oats. This is your oats. Get it. Depending on the quantity you want to take, you have to blend it. Use your blender to blend it to a fine texture. After blending, this is what you are going to get. If you blend the oatmeal, you are going to get something like this. It has a very smooth texture. Boil your water. The quantity of water you are going to use depends on the quantity of the oatmeal swallow you want to make. I have my boiling water already. It has boiled. And I'm going to be turning in the oat itself, the blended oats. So I'm going to stir. I'm going to keep stirring. So I said I have to touch it. If you notice that the oatmeal is strong, you can add a little bit of water to suit what you want or how you love it. For 5 to 6 minutes, and your oatmeal will be ready. Your oatmeal swallow. You can see how mine is looking inside the pot. You can eat it with your soup. I came to know about this when I had my baby and I was looking so big. One of the things I searched on my weight loss journey as a breastfeeding mom was to use the oatmeal instead of the garbage swallow, because I'm breastfeeding and my child needs to get lots of nutrients from my breast milk. So this is going to help you to breastfeed your child properly. Hello viewers, this is my oatmeal swallow. You can see the way it looks. You can enjoy it with any soup you like, any soup of your choice, okay? Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please, if you like this video, just support me, encourage me by subscribing to my channel. Leave a comment on the kind of food you want me to make, the kind of video you want me to show, and I'm going to answer your questions and go ahead to do that. The next thing we're going to be doing is a coconut swallow. I told you before that it's going to be a substitute for high carb food, like your wheat swallow, your fufu swallow, millet swallow, any kind of swallow you eat that has a lot of carbohydrates, and you want to go into weight loss, or you want to cut the carbs you eat, or you eat. I want to make my coconut swallow, and the two ingredients to make this happen is my psyllium husk. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk. Then you have to stir. Stir continuously. And this is my coconut flour. This is 1 cup of coconut flour. I'm going to pour it little by little into the pot and keep stirring. You can see The texture is gradually changing. You can see that my oatmeal swallow is ready for consumption. Likewise, the coconut flour. You can see the way it is. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you soon in my next video.